Access Garage Doors of Salt Lake City, now in Draper. We've painted this door and we wanted to show you the before and after of the hardware being installed. Determine where looks natural on the door to put it, wherever you wish. Then this is the plate that goes on the back. You line it up, you mark it with a Sharpie where to drill the plate on the inside. Simply screw in the hinges. With the smaller screws, there is no back plate. Finished product looks beautiful. It's what we do at Access Garage Doors of Salt Lake City.